It's time to go to bed. I'm going to set this up. There's an exhaust port for the water, and this is where you connect the power. After 5 years of living in a van, this is my first air conditioner. I really hope it works. I just want stuff to work, you know? I pay the money. Just work, please. Hi, if you like my videos, please click the bell so you can be notified, and come back often because I have new videos every week. The automatic is almost 5 years old. Always works. It's always working. I don't want anything more than that. Just do what you are meant to do and just work. My cameras that I got, did they work? Yeah, for the first week. That is connected, so this is the length of hose that they sent. This goes in here. I'm hoping this will stay up here, just like it did before. I am not going to connect this tonight. I know I had a few hours since I first unboxed the unit, but I have to extend this. If I put this over here in my fuse box, it's not going to give me a lot of length. So yeah, I'm going to extend this a couple feet, and then I'm going to connect this directly to the fuse box. My fuse box is full, so I'm going to have to find something that I don't use all the time, like this light over here by the door. I don't use that almost ever. So I can still keep the light plugged in, but then I'm going to plug this in, and then I have to put a fuse accordingly. So this is rated at 12.5 amps. I think that's what I read before. It's rated for 12.5, 12.5 amps. So if I put a 15 amp fuse in there, it should be good. And that's it. And then whenever I'm not using it, I'm just going to roll it up and put it back inside my cabinet. Okay, so I already have, I bought these because I didn't have enough. And I don't know if I have these little ones, so yeah, I think I got the right one. I'll probably do that tomorrow. Tonight, it's not going to be that cold anyway, so and my power is full. I have my refrigerator running, and I'm at 12.8, so I should be okay plugging this in to with my inverter. I don't know. I'm going to monitor this. I'm going to see how much power it uses. Even with 12 volt, using 12 amps. I mean, I know once the van cools down, it's pretty well insulated. So once it cools down, it should stay cool, and I should be able to run this unit on low. I don't know if this thing will shut down. I think it shuts down if it reaches temperature, but I'm not sure. So darn it, I should have plugged this in before I did all this. Oh, darn it. I hope it doesn't work like my cameras, because the way it goes in there, it's just like the cameras, the wires for the cameras. So I hope that's not a bad thing. Long press the red button for 3 seconds until power indicator turns green. Alright, I don't like that the control thing here moves. That moves. I don't like that. Alright, so I gotta open this. I don't like cold air right on me, so I'm gonna point the air conditioner And it's basically the only way it's going to work like this anyway. Unless I figure something else out. But this is fine. Unless I can always use this one and point the unit this way. I want to point it away from me. I just want the air in here to be cool. I don't want the cold air to come right on me. So I'm going to leave it like this for now. And see what happens. Okay, so now... Now it's in standby mode. Oh, this thing also has a light somewhere. Oh, this is a light. I don't know if you can see that. I don't want to turn this thing around, but there's a light right here. I don't need a light. I just want an air conditioner. But this is for camping, so you got a light, Bluetooth speaker, and you got 2 USB ports. So what do I do next? I got cold air. I got cold air. Woohoo! And then what? I gotta watch my power consumption. It's a little loud. They did say it's 60 some decibels. It can go all the way to 68 decibels. It's a little loud. Also, the vibration could be related to being on my table here. All I know is it's working. I got cold air blowing in here. Right now it's 75 degrees. And so the test is, will it stay at 75 degrees? Will it go down from there? I don't know. Tonight is going to be 67. So it's not going to be that cold anyway. So the test is when it's really hot to see if this thing... I believe that once it's cold in here, that this thing will be able to keep up because I'm very well insulated. I don't know if you can hear me. I'm shouting over here, but this is working. I got nice cool air. I'm on the lowest setting for the cold. I'm holding at 12.7, and I think once I install this tomorrow, it's going to run a lot more efficient. So I can't wait to do that. And right now I have an air conditioner. Ooh, it feels cold. Oh, it feels so nice. Because of the noise that this thing makes, I'm going to have to go outside, have this thing working, and then see how much noise I can hear on the outside. I think I'll be okay. I still want to check before I feel safe. I mean, I'm going to do it anyway, but I just want to see if I can hear it on the outside.
I'll do it in the morning.
No, in the morning I'm not going to have this running.
Well, you can just run it for a second and see if I can hear it.
No, you can't hear it from there. Just go outside real quick.
I'll go outside tomorrow and hear it.
Oh, fine. Darn it. Kids nowadays. Bye.
Bye, love you.
Love you too. I have to do it myself, but I don't want to do it tonight. But my temperature went up from whatever I said before, I forgot, 75 to 77. So I think I know what the problem is. I think the problem is right here. This hose is very hot. This is very hot, so all the exhaust in here is trying to go out. So this is hot, but right around here I feel the heat coming back in a little bit. So tomorrow what I'm going to do, I'm going to get an adapter at Lowe's, something that will fit over the whole vent, and then with like a reducer or something, that will fit over this pipe, and then I'm going to fit the pipe to the other thingy-majiggy, and then I'm going to fit the other thingy over here on this and try to cover that entire hole. This is cooling and it's on low. I wish you could feel it. It's just like an air conditioner. And it's really nice. But if the heat comes back in a little bit, then it's putting in heat. It's bringing in heat and putting out cold. It's not going to work. I am holding at 12.6 on 110 power, so that's, and my refrigerator is running too, so that's not bad. Once I have it on 12 volt, it'll be better. But yeah, I have to go back to Lowe's tomorrow, and I have to fix that. So I'm going to fix that tomorrow and fix the cord. That is the plan. But more about that next time. I bring near my righteousness. It is not far off, and my salvation will not delay. And I will grant salvation in Zion, and my glory for Israel. Isaiah 46:13. How do I turn this off? Doesn't turn off. It is off, but the button stays lit in red, so that confused me a little bit. Why is the fan still on though? That confused me too, because the fan is still on. Or something is on. Oh. Now the other thing turned on. So it takes a couple seconds for this thing to shut down. I'm just curious about something. This thing said that it didn't come with the battery. But did it come with the battery? No, it didn't come with the battery.